Hi everybody, in this video we will go over the cookie order master order problem, the solution for part A. So the College Board solution is in the link on the document that I shared with you on Google Drive, so don't forget to click on the link. And these solutions that I have here, they're pretty much the exact same as the ones from College Board. I just altered them a little bit to make it a little easier for you to understand. So before we do that, let's go to the problem. So just as a quick reminder, in part A, we had to get the total number of boxes, which computes and returns the sum of the number of boxes of all the cookie orders. In other words, what we needed to do was, in the master order class, where our method getTotalBoxes exists, we need to go into the list of orders, so take this exact list with this exact name, orders, and we have to grab every single item out of the list orders. Once we grab the item, notice that each item is a cookie order. So let's look at the cookie order class. We then have to grab the number of boxes, so we would just use this method getNumBoxes, grab the number of boxes, and add all these up. In order to do this, we need a loop. So I'm going to do this first with a for loop and then with a for each loop. So let's just focus on the for loop for now. I'll scroll over here and try to center this a little better. So here's the header we have. So before we start, we obviously need a place to store the sum of all the boxes. So we say int sum equals 0. Then we need a for loop or a while loop, it doesn't matter, to grab all the boxes. So n is going to be the position in the array list. So the position will go from 0 to size minus 1. So we could say int n equals 0, n is less than orders.size, or if we feel like it, we could say n is less than or equal to orders.size minus 1. It doesn't really matter. I'll just put both solutions up here. And there we go. There they are. So you could either say this or you could say this. Doesn't really matter. So what you need to do first is grab the item from the list. How do we do that? Well, we would just say orders.getN. So orders.getN will grab one of the cookie orders from the list. Once we do that, we can just say .getNumBoxes, and that will grab the number of boxes from the list, just like it said in this problem. So again, orders.getN grabs an item from the list. What item is in the list? It's a cookie order. And now that we have a cookie order, we can just say whatever that is, .getNumBoxes, to figure out the number of boxes in the cookie order. So you can actually do the problem like this, or you can just grab the cookie order first. So I could just say cookie order C equals orders.getN. And then I could just say sum plus equals that cookie order .getNumBoxes. It doesn't really matter which way you do this. Either way is just fine. I'll go ahead and pause this so that you see both different ways. So give me just a minute. And there we go. Two solutions that are pretty much the same. So this one just has one line of code in the for loop. This one splits it up into two. But each of these solutions is just fine. Feel free to write this down. I will actually go on to the for each loop solution in 3, 2, 1. Alright, the for each loop solution is down here. So you can see that, okay, orders is a list of cookie orders. So you could say for every cookie order in the list orders, take that item .getNumBoxes and add that to the sum. So this for each loop does the exact same thing as the for loops up here. So I can put all three of these here. just so that you can see all three solutions. Let me try to zoom out again. And there we go. And that's pretty much it for this video. Let me go to the College Board solution really quick just so that you could see it. I'll do that in 3, 2, 1. And if you actually go to the College Board solution, you'll notice that they keep saying this dot orders. This is optional, like the word this is optional. And just know that if you see the word this dot, you don't ever have to put this dot, because that's just taking it straight from the current object that we're in. So pretty much in this particular College Board solution, along with many of the others, you really don't need this dot. Everything else is the same. That's it. Go on to the other videos if you want hints or for either of the parts, or if you want the solution for part B. Thank you.